Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Canadian monthly, I still think this is most likely an up, like a three-wave pattern up, like an ABC crescent. This move down to me looks very impulsive, looks very corrective up. I think there's a good chance that we are going to end up continuing the downtrend, probably all the way down to this 100% Fibonacci extension. Whether this is like a 1, 2, 3, or whether it's an ABC, I guess we'll just have to watch and learn. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe this first push down is a 1. I think this is an ABC like a 2. I think this move up right here is still going to be a crescent. I think it's going to make a lower high, and end up continuing down for a wave 3 of wave 3, or possibly a wave 3 of wave C. So let's take it down even further to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it kind of looks like three waves up. It looks like three waves down. I think we already got 1, 2, 3 waves up. We are at the 50% fib level, which it definitely could turn right there. And if it does turn down, especially if it makes an engulfing candle and breaks structure, that would definitely tell me that the wave Y is over. But it has not done so yet, and I do think the dollar index is still going up. So I still think there's a very good chance this is going to go up further to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it really does end up ending this correction and continuing the downtrend. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of every trend if you're on the right time frame. But that definitely does not mean that the trend is over. What will tell me the trend is over by seeing it go down and take out structure. If I see that, I'll know that the correction is over, and I'll know that it's time to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But since we do not have that, I am definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend, and I still suspect that there's a very good likelihood that we could just keep on trending up, making those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we are sitting at a Fibonacci retracement level, so it may be a likely area for a pullback. But unless it goes down and takes out this structure, I'm definitely still going to be looking for longs. Even if it does go down a little bit, as long as it doesn't break this structure right here, I'm definitely going to be trying to go long at the end of the pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend, which I still believe is part of a big wave Y on the higher time frames. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.